Hey everybody, welcome back. So if you reference one of my recent shorts that I put out from What a Country, they had some of those Chinese flatback AK mags. Yes, they're not cheap. If you guys go back and reference that video, you'll see how much they are. I'm not going to belabor the point of telling you how much they are in this video, but what I did is I informed one of my good friends about these. He wanted 2 of them, I wanted 2 of them, so I threw 4 of them into an order, placed that order through What a Country, and we'll see what kind of condition they're in. I have no idea what to expect. I've only ordered a few items of interest from What a Country, and I really don't remember exactly what I ordered, to be quite honest. 200 something videos later, you tend to forget things. Let me get this packing slip out of the way. Bear with me. Apparently What a Country is based out of California, of all places. Kind of shocked about that, actually. I didn't realize that. Anyway, these are 43 a piece. I said I wasn't going to say it again, but I did. So be it. Anyway, let's see what we can expect. If I recall correctly from that video, they said these things were heavily covered in cosmoline, and they cleaned up one of them just so that they could show it and show you the condition of it out there on their website. Wow. And they didn't lie. Oh, that is hilarious. I'm almost afraid of getting these out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are stuck together. That is an insane amount of cosmoline. It actually looks like they're wrapped in a brown paper, and then they've put them in these plastic bags, these plastic Ziploc bags. Okay, honestly guys, if you think these things are in bad shape, you can think whatever you want. I don't think there's going to be anything wrong with these mags. And no, I want to tell you right now, I am not taking this out of the package. This is insane. However, I will say this, if you live in an area of the country where there is high humidity right now, you could probably take one of these and just lay it outside and let that cosmoline drip right off of it. But that is hilarious. These things are still wrapped, at least sort of wrapped. That one's not as wrapped. This one's wrapped. This one looks like yes, it's wrapped. And this one is kind of sort of wrapped in a cardboard wrapping, or not cardboard, but a paper wrapping. And they're just completely slathered in cosmoline. You know those are well preserved. That's why I'm not even going to bother taking it out of the packaging, because I know what's going to happen. It's going to get all over my table here. And then my wife is going to beat me, because she'd probably be pretty upset about that. But anyway, literally no, but she wouldn't be happy about it. So if you guys want to pick up any of the flatback AK mags that you know are going to be well preserved, check out What a Country. That is just hilarious. And my good buddy is going to... He's going to get a good chuckle about this when he sees it. We kind of, since I was ordering 2, he wanted to. I said, hey, I'll throw them in on my order, and I'll just unbox them, and then I'll get your mags to you. But, there is absolutely no concerns whatsoever about whether or not these are preserved, because I think they are definitely well preserved. I have no clue where they got these. I'm assuming these have been sitting in some warehouse for God knows how long, somewhere. But I mean, it's just thick with cosmoline. That is awesome. I absolutely love it. It's a mess, but I love it because it preserves the metal. So if you guys want some of these, make sure you go check out What a Country. Last I checked, they still had them in stock. I did not check at the time of this filming. Oftentimes people don't want to spend, $40+ on mags like these. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys today so you can know what to expect if you decided to get some. or at least to help you make a decision on whether or not you want to get some from them. I'm by no means sponsored by them. I'm by no means endorsing them. I'm just showing you what you can expect, and this is for informational purposes only. That being said, just a big shout out to my subscribers, and thank you guys as always for your likes, your shares, your comments. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that if I post deals out there, hopefully you will be made aware of them before they sell out, since YouTube likes to suppress those shorts. But I do what I can. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.